70% of your immune system lives in your gut, and right now, yours might be broken. Bloating, fatigue, brain fog, anxiety you can't explain. The cause might not be in your head, it might be in your gut. Probiotics are everywhere right now. Search interest jumped 1,258%. But here's the truth most influencers won't tell you. Most probiotics on the market do absolutely nothing. I read 50 studies, talked to gastroenterologists, and found the strains that actually work. In 8 minutes, the real probiotic truth. No hype, no supplement company sponsorships, just science. Let's go. First, what are probiotics actually? Live bacteria and yeasts that benefit your body when consumed in the right amount. Yes, bacteria, live ones. Sounds strange, but your body already contains trillions of bacteria right now. More bacterial cells than human cells. Your gut alone contains around 100 trillion microbes. This entire community is called your microbiome. And modern science is proving the health of your microbiome affects almost every system in your body. Digestion, immunity, mood, sleep, skin weight, even how your brain works. This is not pseudoscience, this is real medicine. Here is the biggest problem with probiotics. Most products on the market don't work. Why? 3 reasons. 1. Wrong strain. Each probiotic strain does something different. Lactobacillus rhamnosus helps with IBS. Bifidobacterium lactis helps with constipation. Saccharomyces boulardii treats diarrhea. Picking a random probiotic is like picking a random medication and hoping it works. 2. Wrong dose. Most cheap probiotics contain 1 to 5 billion CFUs. Studies show you need at least 10 billion CFUs for actual benefits. Many need 50 billion or more. 3. They die before reaching your gut. Stomach acid kills most bacteria. Without proper protection, your probiotic is dead before it does anything useful. So, who actually needs probiotics? The science is strongest for these specific cases. After antibiotics, yes, definitely. Antibiotics kill good bacteria along with bad. Probiotics help restore balance faster. For IBS, yes, multi-strain formulas with lactobacillus and bifidobacterium show real results. A 2023 meta-analysis of 82 studies confirm this. For chronic diarrhea, yes, Saccharomyces boulardii is well documented. For traveler's diarrhea, yes, take it before and during your trip. For general gut health in healthy adults, the evidence is weak. If you eat a varied diet with fermented foods, you probably don't need supplements. Save your money. The 5 strains worth knowing about. Number 1. Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG, most studied probiotic in the world. Helps with IBS, eczema, and immunity. Number 2, Bifidobacterium lactis, excellent for constipation and gut barrier health. Number 3, Saccharomyces boulardii, a yeast, not bacteria, survives stomach acid easily, best for any kind of diarrhea. Number 4, Lactobacillus reiteri. New research shows benefits for oral health and even testosterone levels in men. Number 5, Akkermansia muciniphila, the newest superstar, linked to metabolism, weight management, and gut barrier function. Remember these names. If a probiotic doesn't list specific strains, it's a red flag. Big question. Food or supplements? Honest answer. Food is almost always better. Yogurt with live cultures, kefir, has 30 to 50 different strains. Sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, tempeh. Real fermented foods give you diversity that no single supplement can match. A 2021 Stanford study found people eating fermented foods daily had lower inflammation and more diverse microbiomes than people taking expensive probiotic supplements. So, when do supplements make sense? After antibiotics, during travel, when you have a specific condition like IBS, or when fermented foods are not part of your diet. Otherwise, eat your kimchi, skip the pills. The 5 biggest probiotic mistakes. Mistake 1, buying without checking strains. If the label just says probiotic blend, skip it. Mistake 2, ignoring CFU count. Look for at least 10 billion CFUs at expiration date, not at manufacture date, at expiration. Mistake 3, taking with hot drinks or food. Heat kills live bacteria. Take with cool water. Mistake 4, expecting instant results. Probiotics need 4 to 8 weeks to show effects. Most people quit after 1 week. Mistake 5, and buying cheap supermarket probiotics. When many independent tests show 30 to 50% of cheap probiotics contain less bacteria than the label claims. Some contain none at all. What does the actual data say about brands? Independent testing in 2026 by SUPCO ranked these as most stacked by real users. CDS-01, 24 strains, very high CFU backed by clinical research, Garden of Life raw probiotics, multi-strain, no preservatives, Visbiome, medical grade, 8 strains, recommended by gastroenterologists, Culturelli, single strain Lactobacillus GG, most researched probiotic available. We are not sponsored by any of these brands. This is just what the data shows. Always check the strains and CFU. And remember, the most expensive isn't always the most effective. Now, the uncomfortable truth. The probiotic industry is a $75 billion market. Most of that revenue comes from products that do absolutely nothing. Supplement companies don't need FDA approval for probiotics. They can claim almost anything. Many products tested by independent labs contain different strains than labeled. Some have already dead bacteria. Some have less than 1% of advertised CFUs. The science of probiotics is real. The marketing of probiotics is mostly fake. Don't trust the label, trust the strain. Don't trust the brand, trust the research. And honestly, for most healthy people, a bowl of Greek yogurt and some kimchi beats any $50 bottle from the supplement aisle. BYTE Health verdict: probiotics work, but only specific strains in specific doses for specific conditions. They are not a miracle cure. They are not for everyone. If you have IBS, try multi-strain Lactobacillus. If you finished antibiotics, take Saccharomyces boulardii. If you travel internationally, pack probiotics. If you are healthy and eat fermented foods, save your money. Always look for specific strain names, at least 10 billion CFUs at expiration, clinical research on the actual strain. Avoid anything that just says probiotic blend. This is BYTE Health. We read every study so you don't have to. Always consult your doctor before any supplement. We watch everything. You watch BYTE.